in New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth.
It's double
West
haircut.
2 feet of inundation of weather expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways.
Oh.
Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and southeastern Burlington. When? Until 5 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Additional details. The potential for minor flooding is expected to linger into Wednesday. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local type gauge.